Everyone, welcome to a new video. Hoping that you and your all family member are fine. So guys, 4 good news or motivational information for every CMA fraternity. So guys, in one of the recent session, ICAI president has given the answer of one question. Many parents are asking why ICAI is not taking online examination. To answer of this question, ICAI president said that no one know about that when the situation will become normal as earlier. Okay, and how many you can say that new waves we have to see of this pandemic. Although now the situation is becoming normal and everyone is praying that soon the situation will become normal as earlier. Okay, so ICAI president has given the answer of this question that yes, ICAI is also you can say that thinking about the online examination, and yes, they try to implement as soon as possible. Okay, apart from this, I can assure you that same mindset of ICSI company secretary is also the same mindset. Okay, so those CMA students are thinking about the decision of ICMI, who has already taken the decision on online examination. So yes, our two sister institutions are also thinking about the online examination. Whether in actuality they will take or not, this is a second matter, but at present they are also considering about the benefit of online examination. Okay, so this is, you can say that, the motivational information for those who get demotivated from the information that ICAI is again conducting the online examination. The second good news or information that in one of the video, one of the, you can say that, the finance faculty of CA institution, CA Neeraj Arora sir, discuss about the CMA campus placement. Okay, he discussed about every student should focus on the skills. In the recent campus placement, ICMI student has taken the 22 lakh package. Okay, so he discussed in this video that yes, ICMI has taken a 22 lakh package. So yes guys, we have to work on skills. He also mentioned in his video that every student should focus on skills. So if you work on your skills, so I can assure you that more than 22 lakh package, we are also expecting that in upcoming ICMI campus placement. Third motivational information, or you can say that the good news for CMA fraternity, that in the second phase of campus placement, Goldman has also taken the participation in ICMI campus placement. This is the good news that Goldman generally taken the participation in the biggest institution. Although I can assure you that ICMI is also a biggest institution, but for a practical perspective, we need to understand that yes, this is a good information that Goldman or such kind of more companies also come in the upcoming you can say campus placement. More companies will come, more candidate they placed in campus placement. The fourth information is that whenever I make the videos or online wherever I take the, you can say, live sessions, so many students are asking about me to make a separate video, the scope of CMA in investment banking. So guys, if you know about the Goldman, who is currently taking the participation campus placement, it is an American based investment or investment banking or financial institution. So yes, they hired 2 candidates from Chennai at present, or hoping that soon they are also hired many candidate at present ongoing campus placement. Okay, so this is the good information that yes, we have lot many scope. CMA has scope in everywhere. Okay, in investment banking you have seen the practical example. Apart from this, in upcoming video I will also make a video on scope of CMA specifically on investment banking. Lot many student or candidate asking about me to make a video on this as this particular topic, scope of CMA on investment banking. So I am hoping that from this video, most of the CMA student who yet demotivated from this video, I can assure you that lot many motivated. Apart from this, in upcoming videos I will all make such kind of motivational videos so that you can also get motivated. Okay, still you need any guidance, you can ask me from my side. That's all about this video. Bye guys.